Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you that if you are using Smart School project, which is the latest one version, and here you can see that I am using its latest and final version of the software, as you can see here listed. So now we are going to fix the error of this top one alert that is showing me that we are using unregistered words, and if we click here then it will show the message that enter your purchase code or etc. So to fix it we will follow these things. Okay, so first thing which is more important to me is click on application, then go to views. After going to views we will go to layout. In layout I will click on header, and in header I have to look up SLK, so double SLK SSLK, which yeah, so here you can see here is SSLK, and we have to set it to null. Sorry, after setting it to null then we have to save it. Then after we have to go to the student section and click on header, and here also we have to fix the SSLK. Yeah, this one is, and we have to paste it. Sorry, and here we have to save it. Save. Now after fixing this it will get refreshed and by fixing that error it has another pop-up that if you have put it SSLK, now it is asking for license. So by closing this it will again rise up. Like for example I am going to refresh it. Okay, and as you can see it will disturb our work, so simply we have to go to this folder, then we have to close it, and we have this one option which is called active license model. So switch it off, and to switch it off we have to, yeah, okay, and as you can see the model which is validated are now disabled. Now we have to save it and refresh this one code. If it still rise, that means it doesn't fix, but when it is not no more here, so that means it is fixed successfully. And for confirmation we have to log out from here, and then we will log in again. Okay, sign in. So sign in again and enjoy. Hope that this tutorial will help you, and if you like this, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you and stay tuned.